highlight some of the features on the van. It is an XLT model, and I got rid of the kind of plastic TV screen looking headlights and went back to the kind of more base model style, but added the Osram LED projector lights, black turn signals, painted the surrounds and the grille with black Raptor liner. This grille is from a later model. It's also kind of a rare one in the sense that the side panels are an open honeycomb. Usually those are solid. Let's see if I can reach this. I also added a NOCO Genius battery tender, Raptor lights in the grille. The front windshield is tinted 50% ceramic. It's a huge window, so blocking the heat became important. It has the OEM power extendable tow mirrors. Those were brought over from an ambulance. Looks like it's just got some moisture on it. There's nothing on the light or on the mirrors. Has the Bushwhacker fender flares. The Well-Tech Baja Grocery Getter lift. It's got extended radius arms and I-beams, custom valve Fox shocks and Skyjacker springs. I have low profile aluminum running boards on both sides. Have a standard gas cap as well as a locking gas cap that will come with the sale. Has a Hopkins 7-pin and 4-pin tow adapter that is powered by a Takancha P3 trailer brake controller. Also has 15 amp shore power that runs some USB ports as well as a 2 plug outlet in the back. It eventually planned on adding a portable AC unit for when we kind of camped out of it. Added a external cam that powers a full-time on 10-inch rear view mirror. It's got a black exhaust tip as well as a Jones Aero turbine muffler and a MagnaFlow high flow catalytic converter. The van has the Baja Grocery Getter 6-inch suspension lift from Well-Tech. It comes with custom valved Fox shocks, it has Skyjacker lift springs, has their custom radius arms, extended radius arms. I also went ahead and got the extended I-beam for the twin I-beam suspension. I added like a Ford OEM steering damper and damper mount. So if I can get down here and show this. Also in 2008, Ford put much larger calipers and rotors on the vans, and so I retrofitted a brake kit from the later model vans back onto this 2001. So it has much better stopping power in the front.
Check out this vehicle and many more at CuratedOverland.com.